African.
So guys, as I was walking the streets of Pipeline, I met one of my fan, actually my best fan. So, introduce yourself.
My name is Nairobi AFRICA. I am a YouTuber and a traveler based in Kenya, Africa.
So guys, we just met and I think we should do these things together.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I'm joining you to the streets.
Yeah.
In fact, I was here for the same assignment. I don't live here. I just came.
So guys.
And something you should be guaranteed of is security. I always have some guys here for that purpose, your security. So it's not my first time I'm doing this video here. So I have some guys here who can protect you.
So let's go.
In case someone snatches your camera, then
you are here. Guys, this is Pipeline.
The population in this area is about slightly above 1 million.
Population.
A single estate, yeah. Pipeline, we have this street food. You can either choose mutura, we have samosas, we have this street chapati, we have
the smocha. Is it called
smocha?
Yeah, that chapati with sausage.
Yeah, I guess I've never eaten chapati here, but we have this samosas. But we have variety, you can always choose one.
Okay.
So which one should we go for? Mutura?
I would prefer mutura. You know, most of the ladies love that thing.
Maybe our director can direct us to where we have mutura.
Can we get somewhere we can get mutura?
Of course.
Okay.
Oh, you know a place?
I don't know at this time. Most of the time they do open evening hours. Don't know that this time is very.
But we can go and see if we can get some. Yeah, guys, we are in the street of Pipeline and I'm happy to have met my fans.
And we are ready to take you around the estate for free.
Yeah, Pasi.
This side?
Yeah, let's turn right.
So we reduce our speed, right?
Reduce the speed.
Guys will go down that road. But I don't know why they never build somewhere for drying purposes, somewhere you can hang your clothes and drop one. Maybe on the roof.
How much is rent here? Like for a single room, 1 bedroom?
The fact that they are another building about the same. Very cheap. You can get a house at a cost of $28.
So that's why most of people are here.
Yeah.
So guys,
$3.
if you want to get cheap houses, this is Pipeline where you can get a house at a cheap price. You got this way. We have samosas here.
So you prefer beef?
It's different.
What is
There's
this?
beef, there's potatoes, and there's
And what is this?
Yeah.
green gums. This is potatoes.
That's what?
Okay.
Potato.
Potatoes, no problem.
Oh, we have kachumbari.
Do it to take my to bad.
Yeah.
Just take a little.
Tias pepe.
Yeah, a lot. I don't like it spicy.
You don't like the spice?
I don't like it spicy. So, I chose green crown.
Yes, guys. We are just enjoying these treats, guys. Eh?
Show them the we have this kind of businesses, very many in pipe. That people are, yeah, you give out your belongings for money. Right? You give out your items,
Then you get
next thing for money. Yeah.
You said this is the signature of pipeline.
You know, you always promise the shop guy that you're going to bring them money once you get the money, but they never bring the money. All your property end up being sold by those guys. How do you call them? I'm forgetting.
Not money.
No.
Go see Africa. Yeah.
Just show them. This is the market.
We're in the market now.
Show that torch.
Guys, we have some seats there. If you want to purchase seats at Pipeline, I think this is the best street.
What's your first impression about Pipeline?
Hizo makati huko.
Makati.
Nimeona ziko mob, hizo za kusukuma sukuma.
Oh. The population?
The population iko mob.
Still you haven't seen the rate of
The place is so populated.
Yeah, it's okay. Traffic, today I think we still don't have that much population. What it's about the lines or the flags.
You know, that time I stayed, it's not on this side. The other side of the road, yeah?
Stadium.
No, Transami.
Or Tanzan.
Yes, Transami.
Tanzan is on our way to Cabana.
Yes. Those areas. That was long time ago. Like 10 years ago.
People are ever party.
Yeah.
And is this bypass?
This is bypass.
No.
Yeah. Like partying.
Yeah, they like good life. Someone who likes partying likes good life.
They are rich. Let's say so.
I'm not advocating for alcohol. Myself, I don't take it. But they like good life. I do shout. Like this video I was doing in Mombasa, I never had a mic. So I was just shouting, and at the end of the day naenda mimi napata audio yangu tu iko sawa. Mingi zilikuwa fanya zote za beach. Yeah. Yeah. So if you want a good video, you just flow with the vibe. Just walk talking with anyone in your surroundings. Yeah. Just talk. That's what people like. This is Africa. You see? That's the beauty. We also have those donkeys to push the carts. You push or pull? Yeah, you pull the carts. Yeah, you pull the carts.
But the roads are so
Hello.
good.
How are you? So the streets here are so busy. From the people, the bikes, the vehicles.
Everything.
And everyone's busy with their shit. So most people don't care about whatever I'm doing. By then I'm learning that people in Pipeline are so civilized. Yeah, and they will never ask you why you are filming. So most of them will like even to appear on your camera. They never question your activities.
There are other places where you can't go filming like this.
Yeah, people don't question. They just mind their own business. Zae, vipi? Una smile kwa kamera kidogo wanakuona. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Claudia works with that guy. Cool, bro. No, I like relating well with the street men.
Yeah, the
No,
ones
that's
who
what
normally
you call chokora. I'm always very safe whenever I'm with them. So whenever you are cool with those kind of guys, you are very safe.
They're so nice
No one
people.
can interfere with your business.
You know, sometimes we judge those people, but they
Yeah.
are the best.
But yeah, for me they are the best.
They are the best.
I enjoy relating with them more than I enjoy being with maybe clean people like you guys. No, those guys are they are very genuine. They'll never lie to you.
They always tell
Yeah, they are very truthful. And this is Kenya. So you trust, it's better to trust that someone who doesn't have a house than that one living in a very big bungalow or a mansion. You never know where they're getting their money from. It might be a thief, but someone who chooses to live in the streets,
Look at this place.
that person is so genuine.
They're selling meat there.
You're selling what? Meat? Do you like to eat some meat?
Want to taste?
Yeah.
Me, no.
Someone is
Maybe
selling
later.
chicken.
Maybe later.
Maybe later?
Maybe later.
So it's a chicken.
Chicken. You want one?
A chicken?
Yeah.
Maybe I get one for you.
Just, I will cook for you. I know how to do it.
You know how to cook? So whenever you want juices, you can always forget for some shops like that one. Yeah, you don't have to buy that one in the supermarket, the one with chemicals.
So it seems that pipeline contains all type of business.
All kind of businesses are found here.
So there is no need of going to the city.
Yeah. Now let me tell you something. Maybe new to you. In Kenya, in pipeline estate, bachelors don't cook.
What do they do?
No, they
This way?
let's go this side. They don't cook. They eat from the streets. So you just walk, you find some good street food, you eat, and that's the day is complete. Don't need anything else.
That's nice. Huh?
Yeah. So the expenses of having a gas cooker, buying some oil in your house, some vegetables, they don't do that.
You just go buy githeri.
Yeah, I buy githeri on the street. So this is a shortcut to the main road. That's why you can see these vehicles.
Okay.
They're trying to avoid that jam, and at the same time, they're coming here to pick the residents from their houses.
Oh, so there is no
So
need of them going to the main road.
yeah,
eh?
it's all about competition.
Guys, this is so enjoying.
Yeah.
So fun. The buses normally bus here, they get the residents up to the town. Yeah.
Hello.
Sasa, say hi.